Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Azure Synapse GitHub integration. In this guide we will walk through the steps to successfully integrate Azure Synapse with GitHub, enabling you to leverage the power of both platforms for your data analytics and management needs. First, it is essential to understand the benefits of integrating Azure Synapse with GitHub. This integration allows you to manage your data pipelines, analytics, and machine learning models using the version control and collaboration features of GitHub, while still utilizing the robust data analytics capabilities of Azure Synapse. To begin the integration process, you will need to create a GitHub repository and link it to your Azure Synapse workspace. This is achieved by navigating to the Azure Synapse workspace, selecting the Manage option, and then clicking on GitHub configuration. Here you will be prompted to authorize Azure Synapse to access your GitHub account and select the repository you wish to link. Once the repository is linked, you can start pushing your Azure Synapse artifacts, such as notebooks, scripts, and pipelines, to the GitHub repository. This allows you to manage different versions of your artifacts, collaborate with team members, and track changes using GitHub's version control features. A key best practice for this integration is to use a consistent naming convention and folder structure for your artifacts in both Azure Synapse and GitHub. This ensures that your artifacts are easily identifiable and accessible across both platforms. Another important consideration is security and access control. When integrating with GitHub, ensure that you are using the correct permissions and access controls to protect your data and artifacts. This includes configuring the appropriate GitHub repository settings and using Azure Synapse's built-in security features, such as role-based access control. In addition to these best practices, it is also essential to establish a robust CI/CD pipeline to automate the deployment of your Azure Synapse artifacts to different environments, such as development, testing, and production. This can be achieved using GitHub Actions, which allow you to define workflows that automate the build, test, and deployment of your artifacts. By following these best practices and steps, you can successfully integrate Azure Synapse with GitHub, enabling you to streamline your data analytics and management processes, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. Remember to always prioritize security, use consistent naming conventions, and automate your deployment processes to get the most out of this powerful integration.